Why do people complain about gas prices, skip lunch to save money, but happily drop $6 on a Starbucks latte without blinking? It's not just caffeine. It's psychology, branding, and one of the strangest paradoxes in personal finance. If that made you pause, hit like and subscribe, because this cup holds more than just coffee. Let's break it down. This is what economists call the lipstick effect, a theory where people still splurge on small luxuries even during economic downturns. Why? Because when times are tight, big purchases feel risky, but small indulgences, they feel justified. That $6 drink? It's not just a beverage. It's affordable joy. It's a mini upgrade. It says, I deserve this. And here's the kicker. That purchase triggers dopamine. You feel in control. You feel better. But is it helping or hurting your wallet? Let's zoom into the real economics behind the coffee. You brew coffee at home. It costs 40 cents. You buy Starbucks. It's $6. That's 15 times the price. But the experience feels worth it. Soft jazz, warm lighting, your name, almost spelled right, on the cup. You're not buying coffee. You're buying brand, comfort, identity. It's luxury, disguised as routine. Starbucks knows this. They don't sell caffeine. They sell lifestyle. And we willingly pay for it. Here's something wild. If you get Starbucks 4 times a week, that's nearly $1,200 a year. Now compare that to how many people say they can't afford to invest. Suddenly, your latte has a long-term cost. But wait, it's not just about spending, it's about perceived value. People spend on things that align with their identity. Starbucks is more than coffee. It's a signal. I'm productive. I'm cultured. I treat myself. Meanwhile, those same people might hesitate over a $1 app that helps manage finances. Why? Because one offers status. The other offers discipline. It gets even more interesting when you look at pricing psychology. $5.95 feels like less than $6. Limited-time seasonal drinks create urgency. Rewards apps gamify your habits. You feel like you're winning, even when you're spending more. And then there's time value. Starbucks gives you a sense of efficiency. Why waste 10 minutes brewing coffee when I can grab and go? That trade-off sounds smart until you realize it's $6 for speed you didn't need. Now multiply that by millions, billions of dollars, flowing from convenience and identity. So what does this mean for us? It means most of our spending isn't logical. It's emotional. And Starbucks is just the case study. It could be bubble tea, designer water, name brand cereal. We justify small luxuries by calling them harmless. But over time, they form habits, and habits become budgets. Here's the paradox. People with financial stress often lean harder into these treats. Why? Because they want to feel something in control. But that $6 isn't just a drink. It's a decision, made daily, sometimes twice. It's not about demonizing coffee. It's about asking, is this really what I value, or just what I'm used to? Have you ever reviewed your expenses and thought, wait, how much did I spend on this? So, here's the big question. Is your $6 Starbucks making you happy, or just helping you cope? Let me know in the comments. What's your financial guilty pleasure? That one thing you know adds up, but still can't resist. And if this made you think twice before your next iced caramel macchiato, share it with a friend. Because financial freedom starts with small, conscious choices. And always remember, money isn't just about what you spend, it's about why you spend it.